Hey guys, Mr. MS here. I'm not sure if I mentioned in my last video, but when I was trying to figure out what was wrong with the seat, why it wouldn't lock in place, for some reason all the power died, and I checked the fuse panel and checked the fuses, and I thought it was the fuses that was wrong with it. So I bought new fuses, replaced them, and then I figured out it wasn't the fuses that was wrong with it. And then I looked it up a little bit, and there's a little button right down here. See, yeah, see? There's a switch, and it was facing down. So I just went in and pushed the switch back up, and that's like the main battery reset button or something like that, I think. So I guess if you're having that problem with your scooter, and what it was when I turned the key on, nothing on the thing turned on. None of the lights came on when I turned the key on, so there was something wrong with it for sure. But then I found that little button down here. And it's like a breaker. I don't know what caused it to break, to flip, but it was simple. I just came down and pushed it back up into place, and it made a little click, and that's what makes you know for sure that you reset your scooter properly, I guess. But anyways, guys, I'm out here trying to have a hunt for deer, so I guess that's it for this video of my scooter, and I'm gonna go continue hunting. But anyways, guys, be sure to leave this video a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more MS adventures. See you in the next one.